I give you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to make a very popular cake in the Balkans called Trileçe or Tres Leches, which is originally from Spain. This cake consists of three key components. You have the sponge, followed by the 3 milks, and last but not least we have the caramel sauce. For this video I won't be making my own caramel sauce. Instead I'll be using a pre-made store-bought one that you can get from Turkish and Middle Eastern supermarkets here in the UK, Europe and possibly the States. If this is not possible for you, then I would recommend you search on YouTube for a sweet caramel sauce. It's now time to add the flour mixture. This is a very important stage and I would highly recommend that you sieve the flour. This just makes life much easier and you can avoid lumps and bits of raw flour in your So it's almost time now to put this in the oven. Just make sure you've preheated the oven for at least 10 minutes at roughly 200 degrees Celsius. And cooking times would vary depending on your oven, but this is a fan oven I'm using and it's roughly 20 minutes, 10 minutes on each side. You just want to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked, and if you use a toothpick method, just make sure it comes out clean, especially in the middle. We're now going to place our sponge on a cooling rack, and then to the same dish we're going to add the condensed milk, all of the double cream and some fresh milk. We will then add the cooled sponge back into the same dish and add all the remaining fresh milk. Okay, so now we remove the baking paper from the sponge and we get ready to score it. This way we can ensure that all the milk is actually absorbed by the sponge thoroughly. You don't want any dry bits anywhere. Let's just mix our 3 milks together properly before we put the sponge back in. The last step is now to spread a very thin layer of caramel sauce on top and then refrigerate for at least 5 hours. And there we go. I have to say this is probably one of my favorite desserts. I make this pretty much every week. My family loves it and I hope you love it. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.